Good morning. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds and Notes. We're testing the highs. Sorry about this. I didn't get the video out last night. We had some technical issues, unfortunately. As we walk in this morning, it's a little bit before 6 a.m. Chicago time, and the markets are retesting the previous highs, 131.27 in the June 10-year notes. Bonds are a little bit further down. They're not quite testing their previous highs here. We're at 144.18 high right now on the bonds. And I gotta imagine that the market is going to be bid pretty much all morning, at least through the buyback. It's a small buyback today. It's tiny. It's like a 3/4 or 750 million to $1 billion expected. I'm not sure why they did it so small to start off the month, but and it looks like they've sort of back-end loaded the buybacks through March for the latter part of the week. It looks kind of odd the way they have the schedule set up, but we'll take a look at that some more later. We're into risk-off mode. Some crummy economic data out of Europe last night. Nothing really horrible, but just kind of more of the same wishy-washy to week. And the markets are going risk-off mode here. It was funny. Last night I went to bed. The treasuries were, unchanged, a little bit lower, and everything else on my screen was green. Now I walk in this morning and everything is red except for treasuries. So, what a difference, 6 hours makes. But I gotta imagine we're gonna look and see what kind of activity we get at new highs here. We're sort of stalling against the old highs, but a lot traded at the highs in the 10-year. I gotta imagine we're gonna see some higher highs this morning when, the states open up here. I think we'll see new highs. How we react to those new highs is going to be key. Fridays, you guys that have followed me for a while, it's rare for the market to reverse on a Friday. So once you start out moving in one direction on a Friday, it'll typically continue to move in that direction with very little in the way of pullbacks if we're rallying or bounces if we're breaking. So you gotta, it's a tough trade. You gotta hold your nose and close your eyes and click that buy button at some point. So we do have a lot of data here today. Look for any kind of a dip on that data. I think, with the risk-off mode going full blast here, you want to buy dips, even if we do get some, Treasury market bearish data. So that's the game plan, guys. Sorry I didn't get this out earlier. Have a great day. We'll see you in the email in a few minutes and in the chat room very quickly. Thanks.